In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Persimmon 8 billion parameter model by Adapt. This model is the best fully permissively licensed model in the 8 billion class at the moment. In this GitHub repo, you can find its code and weights. The good thing about Adapt is that they are working towards an AI agent that can help people do anything they need to do on a simple computer by using CPUs. Also, I have been following Adapt for some time and they are very keen on the smallish models. That is why they have released this Persimmon 8 billion parameter model, which in performance comparison is similar to what we have as Llama 2 and few other models too. Another great thing about this is that this can be fine-tuned on a single GPU and run at a decent speed on modern MacBook and maybe even fit on mobile devices. Adept has found out that 8 billion size is sort of a sweet spot for most of the users without having access to the large scale compute. Besides of this, there are a lot of other nice properties with Persimmon 8 billion. First and foremost, as I already mentioned, it is quite permissive model with a very generous license. Another cool thing which I really find very fascinating is about its training. Adept has trained it from scratch using a context size of 16K. Many large language model use cases are context bound. Their model has 4 times the context size of the Llama 2 and 8 times that of GPT-3 and MPT. Their base model, which is not fine-tuned by the way, it exceeds other 8 billion parameter model and matches Llama 2 performance despite having been trained on only 0.37 times as much data as Llama 2. Also, this Persimmon 8 billion parameter model has 70K unused embeddings for multimodal extensions and has sparse activations. The inference code they have released along with the model is unique. It combines the speed of C++ implementation such as faster transformer with the flexibility of naive Python inference. And they have also released some of the benchmarks as comparison to Llama 2, MPT 7 billion, and few others with one shot. And I will share the link of that blog in video description so that you can read further. In the next video, I'm also going to show you how you can locally install this Persimmon 8 billion parameter on your local machine. They also have this Hugging Face page where they have these files and versions, but unfortunately the model card is still not ready. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you already are using it, please share your experience in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.